Well, it's Saturday about 11 o'clock. Got to put the shocks and tires on it, and it's ready to go into the box. Doug's doing a little maintenance on the truck. I went on a shopping trip this morning. Got Daryn some good batteries for his race receiver, and picked up some provisions. If we have another flat tire leading, we're probably going to go through all this tonight. We will get loaded up here in a little bit and start making our way towards Pevely. Well, 9 cars have signed in tonight. We will be starting second row inside of the second heat race. It's dark in the trailer because the generator has quit and we cannot get it running, so night's not starting off too well. He's on the phone with the generator mechanic, Doug is. Ogre to the rescue. Ogre's a tractor mechanic, so he got here and messed around with it, unplugged a couple sensors, plugged them back in. I hit the start button. It's running now, so we'll see how long it lasts. We were pretty quick. We were the fastest car in hot laps by a lot. Already made some changes. Track slicking it off, which is what we want to get slick. We've been on a lot of heavy racetracks. We're ready to try this on a slick one from top to bottom, see what she does. Made a lot of changes through the week again, so Daryn really likes it so far. It was a lot better. We'll see if we can't keep tweaking at it. Heat races should be coming up here shortly. What do you think, Sandwich Man?
How you doing, Coop, baby?
Yeah, not a good night.
Well, I brought him a firecracker to put in one of the cylinders. It worked.
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what.
Yeah. First motor problem we've had since I've been going with them in the past 3 years. Appears we burnt a piston in the heat race. Good thing we got a fresh bullet sitting in the garage, so more work than we were planning on this week. We'll have to pull the motor out, pull the entire oil system out, all the lines, the tank, the cooler, flush all them out because the Oberg is full of shavings. Yeah. Looks like tomorrow Nicholas and I are going to Spoon River, and we are going to help out Blaze Burwell and Devin McLean just for something to do. Daryn wasn't planning on racing, definitely not racing now since we got a blowed up motor. So I plan on taking the cameras along, and we'll get some video from both of them too. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right hand corner. Don't forget, we have t-shirts available on our website, DarynKleinRacing.com. If you order them, I'll get them shipped out to you. We're about to put it in the box. Hopefully, as long as the generator runs long enough. So Nicholas forgot to take the strap off that holds the left rear down before he put it on jack stand, or the roll-around stand. So we're fighting to get the... Give her a couple more pumps.
Give a couple more. Now stand on the bumper.
Stand on the bumper ain't gonna do nothing.
Down? No, you're off of it. Push on, jump on.
Smashed out.
You know, getting a jump on it. She's on there good, huh?
Good one.
You're hung up back here.
You go down, right front. There you go.
Now I'll pull straight up on it. There we go. Smells like oil. Just peeking oil up through the open intake.
Piston's pushing it up.
Yep. That's the intake. So you see us check this every week. This is the Oberg filter. I don't know if you can see that, but it's full of metal. Aluminum. Which indicates that it's a piston that come apart. You see the shiny down in there. Let me go ahead and drain the oil.
You can.
Huh?
What are we doing because that chunky?
Yeah, got the oil tank draining.
Possibly get it back. Stuff's draining the pan now.